Hello and welcome to Duck World, the new themed area in Walibi Belgium for this year. And also very special inside here is a new roller coaster, Mecalodon.
For me it's Mecalodon.
Mecalodon?
Mecalodon.
Mecalodon.
It's a space, the new space of the shark, the Mecalodon.
Yes, it's about a shark indeed.
Yeah.
We're in this coaster here. It is a Gerslauer family coaster. It's a triple launch coaster.
Oh my!
Yeah, 3 launches.
Yeah,
So I am really excited to do this coaster because it looks amazing.
Me too,
It really looks amazing. The theming is wonderful. So
The
yeah.
area is beauty, yeah?
Yes, it's really nice.
It's nice. And
So-
the weather helped today a lot.
Yeah, it's
Sunshine.
really good weather also. Yes. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy now this coaster, and we're gonna tell you what we think about this coaster later.
Absolutely. So follow it.
Okay, ciao ciao.
See you later.
Bye.
Yeah.
Please move a lot.
Mecalodon.
Right.
What is your opinion about this coaster?
Nice. Look, is nice.
Yeah.
It's a fast, but not too much.
No.
Not too much fast, and it's a long way.
Oh, here it is.
It's a really fun.
Yeah.
I can do 3-4 times in a day. It's really nice.
It's a real family coaster. It has
It's a real family
some
coaster.
lunches. The lunches are really...
4 lunch. I
Three
think.
lunches,
Ah,
three
sorry,
lunches,
three.
three.
For me, everything is lunch. For me, everything is fast.
No, 3 lunches, but the lunches in the beginning were very strong.
Hey,
yes,
yeah.
they're okay. Not too strong, but they're okay. Yeah.
It's okay.
And a
It's
lot
okay.
of airtime also. Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot of airtime.
Yeah.
My favorite part of the coaster is the S-bar corners. The S corners over there.
See?
Yeah, the S corners. They
I
were really
remember.
nice, really nice. Yeah, Walibi did a good job for this coaster here. No?
Indeed, and
With all
I
the
want to
steamed area.
do again, but in the back. This is more powerful.
Yeah, I think also. Yeah.
In the part in the back.
Okay. Okay. When we did the back side, on the back side, we're gonna tell you our opinion about the back row.
Yeah, of course.
So if you enjoyed this video, just put a thumbs up, put some comment in below, and yeah, subscribe, of course.
Have a nice day.
Ciao.